Uppercut. To get a strong punch, you have to move your whole body to get maximum force behind that punch. You need to take a small step forward, then lean over. Rotate shoulders to improve punching power. Make sure your back leg rotates in a tiptoe position. Rotate both your body and your hips, so that your face and body reduce the area in your opponent's field of vision. Your hips and hind foot are the organs that transmit power to your right leg. When throwing a punch, your non-dominant hand pulls to the defense, your body rotates in the direction of the punch, your body weight is on your front foot to optimize punching power, your arm is straight towards the opponent, stretched just enough to hit the opponent. When done, quickly retract your hand to defend. Block uppercut. The blocking technique is a type of self-defense commonly seen in punching. To block uppercut, your hands must first be in a defensive position, arms folded and nearly perpendicular to the plane of the floor. The clenched hand is raised to the height of the opponent's punch. The supporting hand must be the hand in the same direction as the opponent's punch. Attention: support with the elbow, the intersection of the two upper and lower arms. The part with the most muscles to reduce impact force and avoid fracture. The perfect distance to do this technique would be between 10 to 15 meters. If the distance is too close, you will not be able to block punches with too much force. If the distance is too far, it will create an opportunity for the opponent to hit the opening in the next attack phase. Technique of parry and dodging attacks. The technique of parrying is also considered a very powerful defensive weapon. The parrying helps the punchers who are turning from defense to counterattack very quickly. Parrying is a combination of reflexes and quickness to predict the attack direction. You need to choose the right time to counterattack, taking full advantage of all the enemy's loopholes. The hand parrying must be the hand in the same direction as the opponent's punch. The technique of dodging requires you to have extremely fast reflexes. At the same time, it is also necessary to have the ability to predict the opponent's attacks. According to the direction of the opponent's attack, you need to bend, rise, move left or right at the right time. This will make the opponent gradually lose direction and difficult to determine the target. Consecutive blows. Taking advantage of the stunned opponent, you should combine with other attacks to create effective attacks. Let's limit a combo to between 2 and 4 punches. In a 3-punch combo, the first one will be a trap, the second one to break the defense, and the third one is the ending punch. The ideal attack target for reverse uppercut is the jaw position. If possible, attack the jaw area, just above the opponent's chin. This is the position where just the right amount of force can make any fighter hurt, dizzy, and even lose feeling. Fast, accurate power and correct technique are the keys to success with any uppercut. In a combo, the power of each punch must be increased gradually if you want to hit an effective combo in both speed and power. The first punch is always the lightest, and the last punch is always the heaviest. Note: it is necessary to shorten the distance and step into the right range to have effective punches.